Hey guys, and welcome back to another video. In this video we'll be looking at how to draw Iron Man with just 4 lines of code using Python. We'll have a look at the code and I'll explain to you how it works. And by the end of this video you'll have a program that can draw Iron Man with just 4 lines of code. If you enjoy these kinds of videos, consider leaving a like and subscribing. Turn on post notifications to be the first to know when I publish a new video. So without further ado, let's get started. So the first thing we need to do is install the SketchPy module. So in CMD or your text editor's terminal, type pip install SketchPy and press enter. And that will start installing the SketchPy module.
A few moments later.
Once that's installed, in our Python text editor, we need to import the SketchPy module as lib. So we're going to say from SketchPy import library as lib. So this line imports the module library from the SketchPy package and assigns it the name lib for easier referencing in the code, because typing SketchPy every time will get long and boring, so we gave it a new name. Next, we're going to create a variable and we're going to call it obj, and we're going to set it to lib.rdj. Now this function allows us to initialize the sketch object that we can work with. In this line, we call the rdj function from the library module, which returns an object. We store that object in a variable called obj for further use. Now rdj stands for Robert Downey Jr. Now that we have our sketch object, we can perform various operations on it. One of the operations is changing the speed of the pen. Let's see how we can do that. We're going to say obj pen speed, and in parentheses we're going to have the value 2. Here we can access the pen attribute from our sketch object using the speed method to change the speed of the pen to a value of 2. This affects how quickly the sketch is drawn. Lastly, we're going to say obj draw. Now this simple line of code we call the draw method will execute all the necessary steps to render the sketch onto the screen. Now that's all the code needed for a little program. Let's go ahead and run it. And as you can see, it has started drawing Tony Stark. If you found this video helpful in any way, shape or form, then consider leaving a like and subscribing. Turn on post notifications to be the first to know when I publish a new video. As always, feel free to leave any questions or suggestions in the comments below. And until next time, thanks for watching. Peace!